Okay, so tonight I'm sitting around and, a little bit bored, and we're going to watch some TV here in a minute. And I said to myself, with all this, video making I've been doing and stuff lately, just how important is the soundtrack. So what I did was did a little demonstration of what the soundtrack means to the video. So if you're not interested, turn it off here. But if you want to see how the music can invoke the emotion, keep watching. What I did was I took a couple pieces of stock footage, and first I'm going to show it to you with no sound, and then I'm going to show it to you with sound, and see if you feel the difference in the emotion. As you can see, these nice little mountains, yeah, that's kind of nice. Yeah, it's nice footage. Doesn't really mean anything. Oh, look, there's some clouds. Nice clouds. But why are they here? And you can see the bikers going down the road here. Yeah, and it's just three pieces of footage put together. But can sound change it into a story? So as you can see, the music changed the straight old stock footage into an actual movie type story. Um, you could see the transition, you could see the storyline just by the music. And I just wanted to say thank you, Studio Backlot, for providing the footage and the royalty free music that I used in this video. Um, Make sure you go to Backlot, sign up today. You're going to love it. All right, thanks.